you go. Well said. Who wants to do number 4? Okay.
The number of letters in a person's first name and the person's height, no relation.
No relation. I have 3 letters in my name, and I'm taller than Maddie, and she's got 6 letters in her name. So there's going to be no relationship between the two. Okay, we'll do this last one together, and then we'll have y'all finish the rest. Number 5. Anybody want to read that? Okay. What do you think it would be? No correlation? Let's think about it. The more you shoot, if you're making shots, what's going to happen to your point total? It's going to be positive. There you go. Have to think about it a little bit. That one is kind of tricky because what they're missing, they're not making points. So how about y'all finish 6 through 16, and then we'll go over them pretty quick here at the end. Some of them are kind of tricky, so just make your best guess, and we'll go over it. Give you 2 more minutes until everybody gets there. Okay, it looks like everybody's finished up for the most part. So we'll just do this the same way we've done the other ones. If you want to read it and answer it, we'll go ahead. Anybody want to do number 6?
A year and the living time and 100 fashion.
No relation. That is a really tricky one. I actually struggle with this one. But if you look at it, the longer times went on, the winning times keep going down. They keep getting faster. So as the years go by, if the times are going down and getting faster and faster every year, what kind of correlation would it be? Negative. There we go. It just really don't give you the right information to kind of answer that one, at least in my opinion. How about number 7? 8.
Diameter of the trunk of the tree and the height of the tree. Positive.
Positive. Why is it positive?
Because the tree's gonna grow over time.
Yep. The bigger its trunk is, the taller it's going to be because it's older. As it gets older, the trunk grows, don't it? Okay, let's move on to number 8. No relation. Can you explain why it has no relation?
Because it's not necessarily gonna go down on which bank account.
Did everybody hear him? He said that the amount of money in the bank account is not going to go up or down just because the number it is. It's going to go up or down because of how much you put in there. How about number 9? Somebody who has an answer. Something. How about you right there?
Delinquent tax around the amount of their type of positive.
That'd be positive. Can you explain why that'd be positive?
So the longer the tax rate is,
The more it's going to be. So they're both going up. Number 10. I'll read it and then just throw out answers to it. Daily high temperature and the amount of clothing a person wears.
Negative.
Now, I've heard negative and no relation. You said negative, why would it be negative?
It's hotter, it is.
There we go. The hotter it is, the less clothes. We're not going to wear winter coats out when it's 95. Number 11. A person's age and a person's street address.
No relation.
No relation. Is that really? There's no relationship between the two. Number 12. Outside temperature and the cost of air conditioning.
Positive.
Positive. Why would it be positive?
Hotter it gets, someone very here.
The hotter it gets, the more you're going to have to pay for your air conditioning. The age of a car and how many people can fit inside of it.
No relation.
No relation. Y'all doing really well at this. Inches of rainfall in the last 30 days and the water level in the reservoir.
Positive.
Positive. Because they're both going to be going up, won't they? Miles ridden on a bicycle tire and the thickness of the tire tread.
Negative.
Negative. Why would it be negative?
Or you're out, so that's the
However you're out, the thinner it gets, it goes down. Very good. Population of a U.S. state and the number of U.S. senators the state has. This is
Positive.
tricky. No relation. Why would it be no relation?
They don't relate.
Because all states have the same amount of senators. Now, if it would have said House of Representative members, then it would have been positive. That's the one that's based off of that population. Now we're going to go on over to what we see on the board here. How about we popcorn read this? We'll start at the top and read as much as you want to, then call on somebody else in the room to read it. Who wants to start? We'll start right here.
A shipkeeper reports a total subject, a particular ideal item, and an item to see if there's a trend or pattern in the data being created and described. The shipkeeper noticed that the data points appear to show a linear trend. All of the data points seem to approximately follow a straight line as the cost of the new item increases the number of items sold.
Finish going?
If the data points except for other than the
Okay, we can flip it on over, and there's going to be something to. You can construct and interpret scatter plots to investigate the relationship between two quantities. The table shows the results of the U.S. Census, and follow the steps to describe the relationship between population and year, and predict the census results in the population in 2010. So as you can see, it shows every 10 years from 1900 on, the U.S. population in millions. And we'll start with step 1. Make a scatter plot. Create ordered pairs from the data in the table, year's population. Let the x-axis represent the year and the y-axis represent the population in millions. Plot each point. It's already done it for us right over here, so we can just go ahead and use that one for now. Step 2, describe the relationship between population and year. So right underneath step 2, you can go ahead and just write a little description of what you think the correlation is in this graph right here. Does anybody want to read what they've wrote?
Every 10 years, the population in the US.
All right, everybody hear that? He said every 10 years the U.S. population keeps going up. So as time's going on, we're getting more and more people in the United States. That's very good. You see a correlation on the graph? Positive. There we go. That's one thing we're looking for. Last step right here. Based on the scatter plot, predict the U.S. population in the year 2010. Kind of make a little educated guess if you want to. Go ahead and write it down right underneath step 3. It kind of guides you through a little bit right here to the left there. Shows you what kind of need to be looking for. Did everybody see how that was? It said based on the trend of the scatter plot, the population will be between 300 and 325 million in 2010. 310 million would be a fair estimate. Do you know how they got that? Just following the graph up, trying to keep it at a steady rate, so they can see where between it would lie going on the last one. So you can't really get an exact number, but you can get close. Now we're going to have, I think there's 8 questions. We're just going to, you can do them on your own. If you run into a problem, just raise your hand. I'll come help you answer them. Ms. Stevens can help you answer them as well. And we'll have about 15 minutes to do this. And I believe whatever they don't get done will be homework. Whatever you don't get done will be homework. So work really hard to see, get as much done as you can.
Randy Ledbetter, come to the office, you're leaving.
have anything else to do, maybe work on some other homework or read or see anything, we'll have one more little thing to do with a couple minutes left. But we'll give everybody a little bit more